Hi, my name is Rodrigo Jimenez, and I just finalized a course in Associate in Big Data Analytics. My background is in logistics and operations, and I currently work in managing a sales team in Dubai. And I was looking for a course that would give me better insights and more knowledge on about big data analytics. What we went through the course was through an introduction of statistics, which were the basics for the course, taking us through the programming languages of R and Python, and all the way to object-oriented programming. So I think overall the course is very complete, all the way from the basics of statistics to all the way to object recognition, and I would recommend it to anyone that would like to gain deeper insights in big data analytics. And one real life example where I'm applying the knowledge from the course is doing web scraping on a property website. Since I'm looking to change houses in the near future, I am using the knowledge that I have right now to find me a better deal in renting a property.